What's up? I'm over here in my garage getting ready for tomorrow's event at Mobara Twin Circuit. Getting my car ready. And I painted this. What do you guys think? This was black wheel. I painted with spray can. Came out pretty good. It came out like matte looking. I sprayed clear, but I don't know. But it's alright. It's bright. It will stand out. That's all I wanted. These front tires are getting bald inside. It's still usable. I'm still deciding, but I gotta drive 2 hours to the track tomorrow, so I'm not putting this to drive. I'm gonna put this Toyo Proxy tire back on. This still has a tread. So let's get my 180 ready for tomorrow. If you watch previous episode, Ebisu, my manifold broke. Manifold step broke, but I fixed it, grinded off the welds and put different outlet and front pipe. It's hard to show you guys, but there's a brace right here, turbo to the block. Or maybe I can show you here. So I got this brace from turbo to block and front pipe to transmission, brackets back on, so this should be good to go. I fixed everything else. All I have to do is change the front tires. I already put the back tire, and oh, I forgot, I gotta change oil. I drove this to Ebisu and drove 2 days at Ebisu and load some spare tires and jack and tools. Stop the tire, change the oil, let's load it up. Some fresh rubbers and tools, jacks, spare parts, chairs, helmet, ready to go for tomorrow. Upside down. Well, ready to go. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Just got a bunch of food, breakfast and lunch and snacks. Good morning. Good morning. What was that? Alright, it's 5:30. We're gonna head out to Mobara Twin. Good weather. Be a good day. So this event is both drifting and bikes collab event. So here's the bikes. There's all kinds of bikes here. They got like 1000cc bullet bikes to like scooters. That's a 50cc bike. My dad's been riding, same one I think. And these are like 250 or 125. Dragging these. Alright, this is how we're getting home on the boat. Alright, we got 180 inside of the boat, ferry. So, the aqua line, that highway that we take, it's underwater, that connects Chiba and like Tokyo. On the map, it was huge traffic. So, we are on the ferry, taking the boat. It's about the same price with the gas and toll. So we're taking this and chilling on the boat for like 30 minutes, and we'll be right next to our house. And gonna get some drink, and I just gonna pass out in the car or inside here. It's pretty nice. But did you have fun today?
めっちゃ楽しかった。
We had so much fun today. I think I improved a lot. And no issue with the car. Got to see all the pro drivers, legends. It was super cool. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button. And thank you for watching. See you guys next time.